Hi all, welcome back to the channel Nurse Junction. Today we are moving on to the anatomy part 7 question and answer discussion. So let us move on to the video. First question, length of alimentary canal in the human body. Option A 9 meter, option B 6 meter, option C 3 meter, option D 1 meter. The correct answer is option A 9 meter. Next question, the policeman of abdomen is option A peritoneum, option B lesser omentum, option C greater omentum, option D parietal peritoneum. The correct answer is option C greater omentum. Next question, the amount of the saliva produced in a day is about option A 500 to 1000 ml, option B 1000 to 1500 ml, option C 1500 ml to 2000 ml, option D 2000 ml to 2500 ml. The correct answer is option B 1000 to 1500 ml. Next question, the largest salivary gland is option A parotid gland, option B submandibular gland, option C sublingual gland, option D palatal gland. The correct answer is option A parotid gland. Next question, mumps virus attack which of the following gland? Option A parotid gland, option B submandibular gland, option C sublingual gland, option D palatal gland. The correct answer is option A parotid gland. Next question, the baby teeth or primary teeth or the deciduous teeth begin to erupt by the age of option A 2 month, option B 4 month, option C 6 month, option D 8 month. The correct answer is option C 6 month. Next question, how many liters of gastric juice is produced in a day? Option A 0 to 1 liter, option B 1 to 2 liter, option C 2 to 3 liter, option D 3 to 4 liter. The correct answer is option B 1 to 2 liter. Next question, the amount of the pancreatic juice produced in a day. Option A 600 to 900 ml, option B 900 to 1200 ml, option C 1200 ml to 1500 ml, option D 1600 ml to 1900 ml. The correct answer is option A 600 to 900 ml. Next question, second largest organ and the heaviest gland of the body. Option A liver, option B pancreas, option C skin, option D spleen. The correct answer is option A liver. Next question, the finger-like projection in the small intestine. Option A ampulla, option B fold, option C villi, option D pinnate cell. The correct answer is option C villi. Next question, Glissen's capsule is associated with option A liver, option B spleen, option C pancreas, option D lungs. The correct answer is option A liver. Next question, bile help in the digestion of option A carbohydrate, option B protein, option C fat, option D minerals. The correct answer is option C fat. Next question, the digestive organ which mechanically and chemically transforms a food bolus into chyme. Option A esophagus, option B stomach, option C small intestine, option D large intestine. The correct answer is option B stomach. Next question, Eustachian tube open on the lateral wall of option A laryngopharynx, option B oropharynx, option C nasopharynx, option D esophagus. The correct answer is option C nasopharynx. Next question, head of the pancreas and the common bile duct open into option A jejunum, option B ileum, option C. Colon. Option D. Duodenum. The correct answer is option D. Duodenum. Next question. Temperature of the cleansing enema solution. Option A 95 to 100 degree Fahrenheit. Option B 110 to 115 degree Fahrenheit. Option C 105 to 110 degree Fahrenheit. Option D 115 to 120 degree Fahrenheit. The correct answer is option C 105 to 110 degree Fahrenheit. Next question. The cell which secrete HCl in stomach is option A parietal cell, option B goblet cell, option C zymogen cell, option D Kupffer cells. The correct answer is, please drop your answers in the comment box. Thanks for watching.